Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Greetings everybody guys, today again we will take a look at the euro currency since market yesterday has shown real significant progress in the upside rally. So you can see this was really significant action. And in general this action stands in according to our long-term analysis, since if you remember, we have the bullish grabbers, multiple grabbers on the weekly chart that suggest the action to the 1450 at minimum. So market as a result of these grabbers should taken out of this top. It's right here. But that is mostly medium-term perspective, so in the short-term perspective market could show the different action. So in fact it could turn to some retracement, because today is also Friday. This was really active, really significant week, and market participants really could turn to some taking of the profit by the end of the week. So what we see right now on the market, the situation is a bit tricky, and although my personal opinion is that I think that market mostly will continue to move higher, not necessarily immediately, but I think that the grabbers should be completed. But the one thing is to have an opinion, but quite another thing is to get the confirmation on the market, to have the patterns, to have some price progress that will definitely confirm this. This is quite another tune. So we could have absolutely different opinions, but the market is always correct. So, and right now our major task is to find such way of action that will be mostly safe for us. I mean that we should find some scenario that will provide us opportunity for taking the long position, but at the same time it will give us the level that will protect us and will minimize the risk of the possible taking the long position. So at the first glance we see that action is really bullish, so there's really definitely the thrusting action on the market here and here. Second that we have is that market has passed through the very significant resistance, that is the combination of the major fib resistance level, and take a look, that is the monthly pivot resistance one. And if market, as we know, moves above the pivot resistance, it tells us that this is not just a retracement inside of some bear trend. That is the shifting of the sentiment in the short-term perspective, since market has moved above the pivot resistance one. So in other words, the pivot resistance one should hold the market if this is just a retracement. If it can't do this, and if market moves through the pivot resistance, it means that this is not the retracement, that is the trend. And right now we see that market yesterday has passed very strongly through this fib level and monthly pivot resistance one. At the same time, market right now has hit some targets. So first of all, on the daily chart you could see that market has hit 127 extension of this A, B, C bottom pattern. He has hit this level, and you can't just recognize the possible shape of the 3 drive. Okay, but I'm not sure that this 3 drive will work. Later I will explain why I think so, but still we have the shape, and we can't be absolutely sure that market will not accomplish the target of this pattern. So here you can see it could be the first drive, this could be the second, and market right now could stand at the third, and it really could show the downward action. And the minimum target of this pattern is these lows, the lows between the second and the third drive. So that could be really different. This could be really deep plunge down. Although, as I said, I'm not sure that this will happen, but still, that's the hazard for the rainy bullish position. That's why, as I said, we need to find such scenario that will minimize our possible risk, also possible taking the long position. So that all that we see on the daily chart. Now let's turn lower to the 4-hour time frame chart. Particularly speaking, let's take a look at this 3 drive. So what do we have? The second drive stands precisely at 127 of the first. It's just perfect. And the third stands, as you can see, the difference between the 127 of the second drive and 1618 of the third of the first is a bit wide. So you can see this difference. But still, market has completed 127 and almost has completed 1618 here. So we could say that mostly the free drive has been completed. Okay, why I think that this free drive could fail, or at least if it will not fail, but it could maybe it could not reach the target, particularly speaking this level. Maybe it will show the retracement, and probably it will show our retracement, but I'm not sure that market will reach particularly this level. Because take a look at this action here, here, and here. Here was deep retracement. It's a bit gradual action with a lot of bounces. Here's we have more straight action. As you see that the power of the bulls here has become greater than here. Okay, and retracement after this leg was smaller compared to this one. And take a look what we have right now. A straight upward action. Very strong thrust up. Usually, when the market accelerates right to the completion point of the reversal pattern, that could be the 3 drive, that could be the butterfly. Anyway, whatever pattern it will be, the chances on the failure of the pattern increases if market shows not quite natural action right to the target. So following the logic of the reversal pattern, the market should become tired as soon as it approaches to the reversal point, to the completion point. So the power should fade here and is housed, but here we see the different action, quite in other tune. So we see this really fast acceleration right to the target. That's why I think that it's not quite 3 drive pattern. Maybe it has the shape of the 3 drive, but I'm not sure that it will work as the 3 drive. Anyway, as you can see a bit later, this is not really a crucial topic for us. Now let's focus on the setup that we could use. So guys, that's been said. On the daily chart, on the weekly chart, we have the patterns that have the opportunity to reach the 1450. Trend on the daily chart is bullish. Market is not ever bad, and market has passed through the very strong resistance just as it now exists with this fast breakout. Okay, that's the facts that we have. Another second moment that we have is the possible free drive that that makes the overall pictures a bit more sophisticated and tricky, because it will work. It will put under question, to put under some hazard of our possible long position that we have intention to take. So as a result, we need to find a chance how to do this, and at the same time minimize the risk of be caught in the possible working of the free drive pattern. And here I would like to offer you to take a look at this thrust, most recent thrust up. So as you can see, this is not bad thrust. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 bars to the upside. And I think that the solution, one of the solutions that we could get here, is the watching for a Giordano pattern. Why? Because the Giordano patterns, I mean the bread and butter, particularly in this case, these patterns have a very good probability of the success, because all of them are based on the market mechanics and based on the momentum on the market. Currently, we consider this upside momentum is definitely significant. It means that if we will take position on the bread and butter on the 4-hour time frame chart, we will be able at least to protect our position with the break-even stop, because market will bounce up. That's just the core of the bread and butter. We have traded these patterns very often, so you probably know about this. And how this should resolve the overall problem. The solution is very simple, because as soon as the bread and butter will start to move to the target, here there will be the clarification moment, the moment of truth. Because if the 3 drive will start to work, then the bread and butter probably will hit just minor target and market turn down. In this case, we will lose nothing, but we will get the information, we will get the clarity on the perspective. But if we will be right and 3 drive will fail or will not start to work at all, in this case, after the bread and butter will start to work, market probably will continue to move higher, because on the daily time frame chart you could see that no barriers in fact exist in this area, so just free space. market just has completed some targets, as I said. It's 127 here, and extensions here and here. And now it turns to the retracement. Also today is Friday, guys, and market participants probably will turn to some taking some profit on this recent rally. Okay, so that's why we should watch for the possible brand body here. For scalp traders, this is a situation that we have had yesterday on the gold market. It's almost identical. On the hourly chart, that could take the shape of the double repo sell. So we need to wait 1185, 1190 area for starting of the brand bottom. Maybe it will start from the 50%. We will keep an eye on them on the forward time frame chart, and we'll understand what particular level to watch for. But on the hourly chart, this downward action could start, for example, from some, say, double repo sell or something like that. So, for example, market could start to form the double repo, and simultaneously it will hit finally by the second top the 1618 extension of this first drive. Okay, and by this action it will form another top of the double repo pattern on the hourly chart, and then it will launch down action to the downside, and when it will reach this area, we will get on the forward time frame chart, particularly speaking, the brand by the buy. So that's our strategy here, and this will minimize our risk because, as I said, if the free drive pattern will start to work, although I'm not sure if it will start to work, we will lose nothing, because in this case we will be able to move our stops to the break even when the brand body will start to move to the target. But if it will be right and brand body will lead to the upward continuation, so that will be just the perfect entry and a position for another leg to the upside. So that's our current view on the euro currency.